My name is Stefan Schuster. I'm working for the Simfo GmbH and I'm responsible there for the business development. And I'm really looking forward to the next Know Your Options 2 conference organized by Joachim Flura. I will be there talking about CTCs and immunopharmacology. On one side, because during the past 5 years, I worked especially in the field of CTCs, and I think on the other side that the new immunotherapeutics that have come available within the past years are really a good option for cancer patients. And I want to show you our results, our recent results about CTCs and in the field of immune pharmacology. So I'm really looking forward to the conference and see you there. Bye.